Hello guys, so I have here a new freshly installed Laravel with Filament version 4. So one of the updates of the new Filament is the multi-factor authentication, which we have two choices here, which is the app authentication and the email authentication. So for now, let's dive on the simplest one, which is the email authentication. So let's go. So the first thing we need to do is to add a new column, which is the has email authentication. So I'm just gonna delete this and let's add a new command, which is the PHP artisan make migration add. Just gonna copy this to users table and let's copy the code here and add drop column. So here, let's try to migrate if there's any error. So you can see it's now migrated. And the next one is to implement the filament user and the cast. So first, let's has email authentication here at our cast. Let's go to users table. Here's the cast. Here it is. And the next one is to add a has email authentication and must verify email. So let's add this contracts, which is has email authentication. Choose this filament out and must verify email contracts. And the next one is the functions that need to be implemented, which is the has email authentication along with toggle email authentication. So the error now is gone. And do not forget to add the has email authentication as one of the fillables here. And the next one is we need to specify the multi-factor authentication on our panel. Uh, admin panel provider. Here it is. Go here. So email authentication. So we have added it, uh, and we also have some expiry, but let's keep that for now. And let's try to log in. First, I'm gonna log in this uh, users. As you can see here at our user, we have the test user here. Let's edit it. And sorry for that. I'm gonna just gonna remove my test here and uncomment the old one along with the new toggle, which is has and just gonna remove this for now because this is my test and also this. So let's make the password optional hidden on edit. So so as you can see, we have a new toggle here, which is to enable email authentication. So let's try to, as you can see, it is now enabled. So let's try to log out and see if the email authentication is on. And let's try to log in. Oh, as you can see, we are redirected here at our OTP page. Let's try to confirm sign in. The code field is also you need to add to your ANV the SMTP platform that you want to use. So currently I'm using the Mailtrap here and the email is not yet received because we need to run our queuing. Let's work. As you can see here, a job is being processed and done. Let's look at it. As you can see, there is a new email and also have an expiration. Let's look at this and implement this. Let's try to put a new wrong one. So this is invalid. Let's remove and paste this. Confirm. And that's it. We have now implemented multi-factor authentication using authentication on the new version of Filament B4. And that's it, guys. Thank you for listening, and God bless.